In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export MP4 H.264 with best settings in Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose so your video looks great and plays smoothly almost anywhere. First, make sure your edit is truly finished. Scrub through your sequence and check for stray gaps, unwanted clips, or muted layers. Confirm your audio levels aren't clipping and that transitions and titles play cleanly. If you used in and out points for previews, clear them unless you intend to export only a specific section. A tidy timeline prevents surprises during the export. Now open the export window. Go to File, then Export, then Media. This opens the Export Settings panel, where you can preview your frame on the left and set all your output options on the right. You'll also see the output name and location at the top. This is where Premiere will save the final file. For format, choose H.264. This gives you a .mp4 file, which is the standard for web, mobile, and most social platforms. H.264 is widely compatible, efficient, and delivers excellent quality at reasonable file sizes, making it a smart default for sharing, uploading, or archiving a preview. For the preset, start with Match Source, high bitrate. Match Source keeps your resolution and frame rate aligned with your sequence, so you're not accidentally changing 24 FPS to 30 or 1080p to 720p. High bitrate aims for solid visual quality by allocating enough data for detailed scenes without ballooning your file unnecessarily. If you're targeting a specific platform, you can pick a preset like YouTube 1080p or 4K instead. Those presets fine-tune things like bitrate, keyframe distance, and level to match the destination's recommendations, which helps avoid reprocessing or quality loss during upload. Take a quick glance at the summary so it reflects what you expect: the correct frame size, frame rate, and audio. H.264 exports typically use AAC audio, which is ideal for broad playback support and keeps file sizes modest while preserving clarity. When you're satisfied, click Export. This renders directly from Premiere Pro, so let it run without heavy editing in the background. You'll see a progress bar and an estimated time remaining. When it finishes, you'll have a clean MP4 file ready to upload, send to clients, or post on social media. That's it. Finish your edit, go to File, Export Media, choose H.264, use Match Source, high bitrate or a platform preset, and export. With these settings, you'll get dependable results and professional-looking video every time.